everybody. So today, I know it's been a long time since the last time I posted, but you know it's fine. Sorry, I spoke too fast. Today I am making grilled cheese. So yeah. So what you're going to need is unsalted butter, 3 slices of cheese, 2 white and 1 cheddar, and bread. Preferably brown bread, but I didn't have brown bread. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, wait a second. The first thing that you want to do is get your pan and put it on low. And you want to get a butter knife, or if you don't have a butter knife, just get a knife and cut off 1 ounce of butter. We're gonna take out 2 slices. Okay, so it's about 1 ounce. No, it's hot enough. You just slap it on and spread it all around the pan. But remember, you do not want to add too much butter, because too much butter will have your bread just slipping out of your hands. I have experience. So sometimes you're going to think, oh no, I added too much butter, what do I do now? But if there are lots and lots and lots and lots of bubbles the way this is, that's good. That just means that your bread is going to be good and buttery. Not too buttery, but buttery. Okay. So our butter is done. Now we're going to slap on the 2 pieces of bread. Roll up your sleeves and just push them evenly around the pan. That way each side is covered in butter. Now I just want to leave them there to brown a little. And you just want to push them a little. And then you're going to cut off, this time you're going to cut off about like half an ounce of butter. And put that on the other half of the pan that does not have the bread on it. And now we flip the bread. And now you have to get a spatula and do what we did before with the bread and butter. And yeah, just do that until both sides are covered in butter. Okay. And you want to flip the sides. I feel like lots of you have been waiting for me to do a video for groceries. And put the spatula away. And very quickly. Add the cheese in this order. Sorry about my little sister. She's very happy. So the order you want to put them in is you want to put on one slice of bread, white, and then cheddar, and the other one only white. So now you want to spatula again. I know it looks like it's burning right now, but that's part of the recipe. Don't think I'm just trying to make an excuse. This is how I like it. And because the pan is already very hot, you can just quickly flip it. And push down each side of the bread. Just turn off the stove. Push down everywhere. Okay. Now we're going to transfer this to a plate. And then now, I'm not going to do a cheese ball because I have to cut it all the way. And now you can't tell me that doesn't look good. You can't say that. Beautiful. It's hot. I am extremely excited to Okay. It actually came out way better than the other times I've made this. Which is like 24 times a day, 7 days a week. So yeah, what I like most about this recipe is that it's not too cheesy. It has a good amount of butter, and even if it's black, or you start thinking, oh no, I burned my grilled cheese, that just adds more crunch. Which is why I encourage you all to try this. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.